Alright, we're back, guys, and we got another update on the Del Sol. The last video, the rockers went on there, just the quarter panels. The other side is pretty much done. Alright, we're cut, cleaned out, the rocker is ready. We gotta grind down a little bit right here to weld. We also gotta drill the holes for the spot welds and weld the quarter to the rocker. Fit? Yep, lines up well in the front, right there, and then we just gotta put a patch right there. Alright, yeah. Take a look underneath. Tell me what you think, though.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Right in the corner, right?
Yeah.
The other side is pretty much done. This side, we just finished doing some tack welding. Down on the bottom right there. But we're gonna paint all this first, and then we're gonna throw the windshield in. We just gotta grind all this down so we get the paint all in the jams underneath. We completely have finished the rocker, the quarter. We had to cut this out again and just clean it up a little bit more. We have the rocker ready to go in. We have to custom make a little patch, weld it back up together, and then we grind it down like we did here. There's a corner that's kind of hard to work with. Grinding down all the spots back here. That's gonna be it for today. Catch you guys later.